recording. We are now recording. What's going on, guys? Gonna go ahead and start with my Tuesday intraday or day trade analysis. You guys know how it is. Usually, I go on the arbitrage website and I look at the 5 minute chart and the 1 hour chart to find confluence in the bands, right? And I look at the apocalypse on the 5 minute chart, and then on the 1 hour chart, I always look at the arbitrage bands to see if the RSI is in the upper danger zone or lower danger zone. Because right now, like for this session, I only look for ideal setups. Like if it's usually, I already gave a lot of charts in the chat yesterday in both my chat and the arbitrage group. I gave a lot of charts, like a lot, but this is now just to see what we can possibly get into this morning or throughout the day. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So first and foremost, let's go to USD pairs because I know they are going to start moving today. All right, so we're on the 5 minute. We have all no's right here so far. So we don't waste time. Go on to the next one. No. Go on to the next one. No. Yes, we have one yes, and that's on silver at the lower danger zone. So I don't have a piece of paper. Let me get one. Where are the sheets of paper? There it is. Okay, so we have silver. Then, so that's for the USD pairs. Let's go ahead and look at GBP. Well, I didn't need to press enter, but. Ooh. Oh, really? Wow. Haha. Wait, you should be able to see the screen. Can everybody see the screen? Okay. Danny, you might need to go ahead and like exit out the room and then get back in because everybody else can see it. So it might be on your end. All right, cool. I was like, I'm pretty sure I'm recording. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm screen sharing. All right, so hold on. All right, that's awesome. All right, cool. So with the euro, we're gonna look at the GBP pairs. So Euro GBP, no. We have a yes, and that is on GBP PLN. I don't look at that pair, so I'm not even gonna write it down. All right, cool, awesome. And then we also have no right here. So we don't have anything for GBPs, but we'll take a look. Some of the pairs have already started moving. We just have to, I just like going through the filters first. And then if I don't find anything on the filters, then I could always just talk about what I want to see. I mean, I'll just not talk about, but I'll go onto the charts and be like, all right, let's see what we can find. Euro, no. Yeah, like I said, some of these pairs, they've already started moving. I may, nope. Nope. All right, so that's not that. I'm gonna watch Audra's video after this. Let's go to AUD. No. So nothing for AUD. So it looks like we're gonna have a lot of interesting setups for some of these pairs. NZD, I doubt if the AUD doesn't have anything. I doubt NZD will have anything on here right now. Oops, I pressed it twice. Yeah, so everything is no. on here. So I'm not even going to look at the 1 hour because there's no need to if the 5 minute wasn't showing anything. We only have silver and I could always just go and look at it. So I'm not even going to write it down. Let's get to the charts. Okay. So first things first, I want to actually talk about SPX 500. I just literally talked. I actually remember it was acting up, and now it's good. So, it's just I just have a lot on I need to record so many one of this with this video. So SPX 500, I called for on 15. I mean on a 15 more frame, and then I said it alerted me out, but obviously it didn't buy out your disk. It's that because things are pretty out, and you have to work before it would be printed there. If the load isn't there, it's different. I called out. I forgot to send to the arbitrary, but I called for selling price around instead of paying profit. I took profits off it, and then I mentioned that okay, we have entry here. So I just got into profit actually. Just got profit on it as I made it on the setup was from even last week. The setup was for price up to the main line, and then which I simply by then let it that to our side and which and then respect this and then continue dropping to go and make a lower low because it broke this previous structure right here. Came back up to that same structure, now it's dropping. I still expect it to drop a couple hopefully it doesn't higher fake and drop. If it looks like someone dropped her, I definitely lead into exactly. So I'll go on to US 30. I just like SPX 500 better. It's just my personal preference. But yes, likewise with this too. And I'm pretty sure there's going to be a gift that's in the link. How that is going. So that's what I'm starting similar. So that's 100. Yeah, you see the Dow Jones it actually does the but if you will, when price my that's for Dow Jones that's for 15 minutes. We can't expect volatility in market when that happens. Early, my bad. This one to add that. It's the idea of coming back realistically like at 2000. So, 226 I think it's going to be a little chop for up right here. Any questions? Questions? All right, let's go on to Euro USD because this is the other trade that I'm in. Just because the broker is supported on here, but I like using my FX option. There we go. Yeah, I definitely did buy that 1.3. Basically, this is 1.3. Again, going on. Getting out of the trade, but look at the timeline. Does all of a sudden go this is like see here close. So when it's line, you can drop the sell the value the RC in the level. I'm 15. I'm 15 minutes. Lord, so see what this is short. So on the this is my show. He's lucky. Clear. Anyways, had sorry, and then hit the upper danger zone as so we have price kind of and it's price to close under the meat so that it's essentially but we also this time. And break the yes, we do have USD news today. I'm not really too concerned, honestly, about the USD news. I don't think it's gonna do that much, but it's still something to watch out for. You definitely always want to watch out for news events, because a news event could literally just mess up your whole trading plan. Because, like, let's say if it's something that's so huge that it just makes something that was previously making the currency pair strong, it then makes it weak. So want to watch out for that for sure. But yeah, let me get this trade actually real quick. Hold on. Oh, never mind. But yeah, so EU definitely wanted to still keep going lower. Any questions on that? No questions on EU. All right, sounds good. Let's go to GPUSD, because I think this might be an entry. I think it's go as bullish as it did. Okay, so and even my entry. I saw it need to this right here, and still be able to go up if you want to see come back over here and respect and dropping. It is like be really come up here, but it dropped. It's in the RSI line, so I currently do a sell on you right now, and still have a lot of just that price cycle as usual. I think they might hit, and then they do have. Again, with GU, I do actually low low, so this is ready to pull off. So yes, GU, but you can see I here will remain, and that's low. But it could have just been a break of like for. I would want as a for GU to keep going bullish. I want it to come and touch this RSI line. So I trust this RSI line way more than I trust this zone that I drew up. Like, this zone is valid. Don't get me wrong. It's very valid. But I'd rather get a buy opportunity off of the RSI line here. So again, if GU can respect right here and keep dropping, then we can get to a very good restore. We're 2 months in order to 230 ones. So right here, you are using really good money management as in within 10 minutes. As in, like, you'd want to make sure that you're using a smaller lot size. And if you're going for your 20 pips in dip, or you're going for 30 pips, then obviously, like, trade accordingly, right? But that's what I would want to see. I'm going on the 1 hour time frame. I am starting to see. 1 second. Scoot this up. I'm pretty sure on the 15-minute, it looks like it's already sold. But on the 1 hour, I do see that price is currently under the momentum line, but it's still above the compass line. So this is a little risky to get into right now, because there isn't really many signs, especially with the level pro and arbitrage. There's not really many signs that are showing that it is going to go bearish. But again, like I said, on the 15-minute time frame, it looks like it's calling for the sell, and price is still even. Boom. We said it's going to went up later, then drop as long as the now. But if you want to do your want to say low breaker right here, or you match right there, and then a little higher. So I'm going to do that 1 to 1, which again, that's reason trading. So that our ratio, yeah, it's 7 ratio. You're 40 pips and you're so that's this minute up. And if you it looks like probably at least a little further, you're at. And there's going to be I should and I just usually have whenever that's G because this is still in since I got out there, so yeah. But you this can sell. It's more than previously when it is move this high here. If are you resell? But again, even on this trade out, the whole trade still respecting the The RSI line is even came up a little high. So this totally make this layer. Then it looks like we're expecting it. I want to exchange. And my head was the ratio. But you just want to be careful. I want to sell. But it's kind of under here. But I still want to exit. I still enjoy it. And so to me, it doesn't sell because you don't about JPY. Under the side of you because those prices are under. No, that's just. Hello there. Hey, Jonathan, how you doing?
Hey, good. I was here. No one was there, man.
Oh no, I've been live. I've been live.
I came on. The first link you sent. I was there. I didn't see anybody.
Oh yeah, because it's at 6 a.m. that I do this call. If you look at if you go and look at the thing that I sent, it was the time zone is there that I used.
Okay.
But yeah, this meeting is gonna end pretty shortly because I forgot to switch to the unlimited time one, but I'm gonna just use the same exact link to hop on this again, like in 5 minutes, or not in 5 minutes, like in 3 minutes, once it's over.
Okay.
All right. All right, and you go again. I just muted you. Sorry, but UJ. Like I mentioned, it's under the RSI line. I do want it to go bullish, but if it doesn't, it is what it is. Because let me get rid of this all right here. Because the daily isn't looking too good for us on this. If we're trying to sell this, it's not really looking that great at all. Remove drawings. Look at that. That daily does not look good to us at all. Yep. GU and GJ, yeah, you're right. They usually do move the same direction. So if GU is dropping, then I would want UJ to go higher. But if GJ is dropping, then usually UJ drops as well. Because let me go look at JPY. And you'll see that it probably looks like this. It looks like an inverted hammer. This does not look good to us. It just looks like price broke, retesting this RSI line for it to go drop some more. So I might actually get out. I kind of want to get out, but I'm just waiting for the 2-hour time frame to tell me to get out. If I don't get that alert on the 2-hour time frame to get out, then I have no reason to get out of the trade. So let me go to JPY. I thought I typed it in. Cord. So yeah, so like I was saying, with the GJ, we can see how it looks. It looks the exact same, just like Lorraine said. Or let me make sure she's on here. Okay, cool. Just like how you mentioned, it looks the exact same as GU. It made the push up. Looks like it's retesting the RSI line, which it actually. Let this load up first. There we go. But yeah, so we had the push up. It broke the RSI line, came down. It looks like it already retested the RSI line on this daily candle, yesterday's candle. But I still would want GJ to come down because if it's doing the exact same thing as GU, then that's what I want to see it do, right? But yeah, that's perfect. That's a good way. That's good stuff to be looking at, Lauren. So until I get the I do think just the time frame. Awesome. So any questions on you, Jay? All right, so those are 4 trades that we're in. We're in SPX 500, Euro USD, GU, and UJ. Let me go ahead and take a look at USD CHF. And you don't have to get into every single one of these trades. Just pick the ones that you like out of the bunch and then get into that. Or if your account could hold everything and you're using good risk management and good log sizes, then for sure you could take every single trade. That's what I do sometimes. I just I'll probably put, let's say, like 0.5s. I mean, not 0.5s, 0.05s, and then I'll get into 10 trades because I know like at least 7 of those trades are gonna hit my TP, but 3 of them might hit my stop loss. That's just trading, right? You, Chef, I still have the same thing. Let me go into 1 hour. I still do think that the US dollar is gonna gain strength, and therefore USD Chef should go bullish. But that 1 hour is already called for the buy. It hasn't retested the RSI line. I'm gonna delete all this stuff on here. The line yet on buy did break the line, so really all the way to the trade and cost and hey around not around here. I would like I usually read what that's the way you should try to trade. So yeah, to hammer. You know, gonna fit in it. I like low because on the 15 price test. So then I'll over here. If the fry line is price to break through 0.94873 for me and keep going bullish and break this here, that would be and buy yes. Of course, I forgot all about EuroGBP, to be honest, and I'm in the trade. And you see this, so this is what I like to see on the 4-hour time frame. We have the RSI line is at the lower danger zone, and we see that price that called the buy. Even though price was under the RSI line, it called the buy. And the 4-hour, I like how this candle's printing out. It's showing that it looks like it wants to make a hammer. And if it creates that hammer, then I am definitely, like I said, looking more for the buys, because I want this buy that I was looking for is based off of the 4-hour time frame. I'm just waiting for price to cross through here again, and like I said, and break through the previous line on the 15-minute time frame. Then I'll be more confident in getting into it. So, any questions on you, Chef? The RSI line right here is currently over ground zero, but the arbitrage Z, these lines, whether it's the RSI, the arbitrage, or the Z, which the RSI is the black line, the Z is the purple line, the yellow. It's because I love the 4-hour. I love the 4-hour, but I look at the trend on the daily. So this is how it is. Daily trend, 4-hour setups, 15-minute to the 1-hour entries. That's how I trade. If I'm not scalping, that is. That's how I trade though. I look for the trend on the daily and the weekly. I look on the 4-hour for possible setups, and then I use my entries for 15-minute to the 1-hour. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and go on to EuroGBP. It was playing us. It was definitely playing with my life, but finally started to act right. And it's still going. That's beautiful. That is just beautiful right there. This is not the chart that I was using. Yeah, guys, I don't know what else to say about EuroGBP except for move your stop loss to break even from when I had called it. If you had gone back in last night, because like I said, it did keep going higher, and then I did exit, but I got back in. Especially when it came back to my entry, I had mentioned it in the chats. That's when I'm like, oh, came back to my entry. We're getting there. So it's silent, and it's just like I said, it's truly break even. I get more than trying to RSI support is and so then we'll check it out right now. That's actually that actually might be giving us a entry as you speak on it. All right. Let me see what we have for AU. I think I was looking at this on daily previously. First, I think that although is going to predict the price was going to go up to make a double top and then drop. So if I'm running on this hill, which I should pay attention to be honest, track a caught price at the top, right? But this is going to just drop on screen. 500. So my line on here. You know, I'm sure they dropped on this minute. Like, you use them for so long, just moves probably before you even look at it. But what we could potentially see on realistically speaking, since this previous that price will come back up again. I'm still sell. I'm still sell from it, but it's a possible not there. From we got it with, but and drop if it's here, then I'm gonna let's go and create a double top. On the 4 hour time frame, it looks like it's gonna try to break this RSI line and then continue going bearish. It never called for the buy on the 4 hour time frame. So hey, if this candle does close at this area, I might get my second entry because this RSI drop, it might like because it on the 4 hour candle and then drop. So it does I do want to drop, but it's like the DXY is starting to, so AUD should fall, but still we don't have that candle. If I like this, I would have been here, then it's still right now. Wait for candle to reset. No questions. When you take any action. Oh yeah, for sure. If I take the action to sell AU, I'll definitely post it. And GA, you said just called for the buy. Doesn't surprise me. So if GA called for the buy, then I kind of do. Ooh, hold on, boy. Well, the 4 hour got me tripping because break, retest. If price closes over here, then for sure I'm down for the buy. But if it doesn't, this might be actually a perfect entry for the sell. Wait, what the heck? Oh, never mind. 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I do. I'm pretty sure on the 15-minute it did call for the buy. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's already moved a lot. But again, GA is still mad bearish. GA is extremely still bearish. I could definitely see it coming back down here to create a double bottom and then finally going bullish. Like there is really not that many signs right now that say that it's bearish. I had showed a chart on the 15-minute yesterday. Let me see if I could. Let me go look for it real quick. Dang, a closed Telegram. I didn't mean to. Let's see. Ah, crap. Where is it at? Right here. GA. Can you guys wait? Just do that instead. All right, so GA, I had said that it was going to go bullish last night when I posted my chart. Said it was going to go bullish and then go and create a lower low. I still stick with this. I still think, especially with how the 4 hour looks, I'm thinking for sure now that it's going to drop If you were able to get into this buy last night, then for sure, congrats, you profited off of it. But I still think that price is gonna drop right now. I wasn't really looking to buy, so therefore I didn't get in. Although that would have been a perfect, amazing sell. I mean, amazing opportunity, but still. So going back to GA on the 4-hour, I'm going to wait for this candle to close, but it's not looking too great for the buys. And so if GA is going to sell, then that means that AUD USD most likely is going to buy, whether or not the US dollar is pumping or tanking. So that's just something that you want to watch out for. GA, I would just personally kind of stay away. Let me see what the 2-hour looks like, because it might be calling for a better sell. Yeah, even on the 2-hour, broke. It looks like the retest is even better, though it didn't really come up here all the way, but it looks like it's showing what it might do more than the 1-hour. The 1-hour looks like it wants to buy more than sell, but this, I like this better than the 1-hour. So I'm trying to take GA down. It's extremely bearish. Nothing is showing any type of real reversal right now. Let me show one more thing. On the daily time frame, I don't know how many of you guys remember this. Oh, we did actually. But remember how I mentioned that I wanted, well, we actually really didn't at all. Remember how I was saying that I wanted the retest of this resistance up here before trying to sell GA again? We never got that. We never got this retest after breaking this. So that's why I'm like, this is extremely bearish. I don't really care for the buys. I don't like selling this down low, but if it's going to be for an intraday type of trade, or like for a trade that I'm in for like a day or two, then sure, by all means, I don't mind getting into that type of trade. But as for this, on the daily time frame, yeah, I wouldn't buy nor sell for a long term, because it's already pretty damn low. So yeah, want to watch out for this. My eyes are focused on the 4-hour as per usual, because look, you even saw price came even lower, and now it's under the RSI line rather than being over it. So 1 hour, we have 1 hour until this 4-hour candle closes. If it closes under, I'm selling, and I'll obviously notify you guys like, oh, I'm getting into this GA sell. And if GA sells and GU sells at the same time, that would be lovely. That's actually what I like to see from multiple GBP pairs when they're all doing the same thing. That's like, yes. Awesome. All right, guys. Any other pairs you guys want me to look at? Any other pairs? I feel like I've given a lot of possible trades and trades that we're already in. I don't want to blow somebody's account. And I'm past my hour, I think. I may be wrong on that, though. No problem, no problem. Any other pairs? All right, guys. So watch out for GA and AUD USD trades that I'm watching for, because again, I'm just waiting for the 4-hour candles to close to see what my decision would be. So yeah, guys, thank you for hopping on, and I appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your days to watch me live and be able to make some money off of it as well. So I hope you guys have a good rest of the day.